Hi, it's me, and right now we eating. Wait, can't see everything. Peanut Peter Pan, crunchy crackers. Oh, got in my hair. I'm bored. It's 4:08 in the morning. And I'm eating peanut butter crunchy.
All right, tough guys. You have any relatives we can notify he's dead?
Seen a lot of and it's good.
Why do you say that?
Oreos with peanut butter is good too, but I ain't got no Oreos.
Was he having trouble with anybody recently?
I mean, I did the best I could for him after my mother died, but I've got a family of my own. These last few years, Jerome was out there on his own mostly.
I'm watching.
He came by last week to play me his demo.
You can see us
I
all.
was part of it. Said he was going to send it to the record company.
You don't even get out. You paid for all that equipment he had in his apartment. What is it, Mrs. Royal?
Jerome used to bring
Ain't no one like the one I got. No one can love you better.
One of his pockets, like the one they sell cocaine.
I just got done lip syncing to Chanel. How to Love.
I had to talk to him about it.
Joint.
I thought he
Watch
went
it.
for the music.
Not a bad place to do business. He didn't find any drugs on him. Maybe he dumped his stash before the fun started.
I'm so bored I'd be.
3 of the bills from the club had
At night.
prints on it. Nothing on the shell case.
So we know he handled the money.
Here are all the names and addresses on the credit card users at Megan's Fly that night.
More like 3 sites.
Nobody would admit to seeing anything, but there are a few here we're pretty familiar
Twitter.
with. I ran all the names for the rest.
So how many
YouTube.
of the A-list clients have A-list records?
Facebook.
Three for possession, 2 for sale.
Either one of the sales.
I wasn't going on Ustream, but
Mary Salerno. Here's his description and the last name and address.
my Ustream not working.
Hey,
I don't know why.
Take a
Stupid.
long walk, fellas. We heard you were selling drugs out here. We got probable cause to go through your pockets.
You make it sound like I got a choice.
Well, if you're straight with us, you got plenty of choice. But you want us to play finders keepers with whatever you're holding.
What do you want to know?
What happened at Megafly Saturday night?
I wasn't there.
You're not the only Salerno that was on the guest list that lives in this building. Now stop screwing around and tell us how a drug dealer got on that list.
Lonnie, the floor manager, he knows me.
I was starving. I'm about to go get some milk.
I seen a dead kid doing some business.
This is the best snack, like, to ever have to eat. I will pick this for a snack.
Don't put that on me. Told her to be selling it.
And
Nobody was buying it.
Oreos.
So what? You just
And
look
peanut
the
butter.
other way for your high-tone clientele?
You got a witness that said you and Bone had a problem?
What happened, Lonnie? You selective about who does business in there? I don't have anything to do with that. But you did have an argument. Yeah. So what was it about? Look, I wanted to sing at the club. A few weeks back, you gave me a demo to listen to. I thought his stuff was whack, and I told him so.
You know, like, I gotta tell you, I don't buy this for a minute.
You know, if you think business is bad now, why don't we slap a padlock on the place? Look, he mouthed off of me, and that was all. So I headed him over to the coat check, and I went back to my office. A few minutes later, I heard the shots. This guy's playing us, Ed. Let's call the SU. Get a locksmith over there right away. Wait. You heard of G-Train?
The G-Train?
Even I've heard of G-Train. Well, Train was there that night, a bunch of his people. And what I heard was this kid came, he threw some bills in Train's face, called him a sellout, and then all hell broke loose.
Why didn't you tell us this before?
You think I want to be known as the brother who dined out Train Collins?
I just want you to know.
That laugh can only mean one thing. Tonight, Seth Rogen's back on an all-new Conan. You want one more? all new tonight at 11. Only on TBS. Very fun.
The FDA issued a public notice to doctors and patients concerning serious injuries caused by transvaginal mesh, bladder mesh, pelvic sling, and bladder sling. Please call now if you had one of these devices implanted in the last 5 years.
I just want
You may
you
be entitled to a
to
cash award. If you had a transvaginal mesh, bladder mesh, pelvic sling, or bladder sling in the last 5 years,
please call 1-800-948-5745 now.
New Glade Decor scents have a stylish design and gentle fragrance that don't just scent a room, they inspire it. Let Glade
This
make
the
an
best
impression
this the best
any
peanut
room
butter
or home.
Peter Pan made. I would like to meet Peter Pan and thank him for making
All
it,
day long.
even though I know he didn't make it, but it just sound better
Get
like
new
that.
Glade Decor scents and release the magic.
SC Johnson, a family company. One insanely fast internet. We're having an insanely fast sale. Switch to internet from Time Warner Cable with wideband speeds up to 50 megabits per second. Call now to get broadband internet for as low as $29.99 a month for the first year. Plus, get free terrible service for 6 months. Speed
That was
so
way too
fast,
much peanut butter.
you'll be the one trying to keep up. That's a free turbo upgrade for 6 months. Call 855-257-2066.
Bye.
Hurry, offer ends